energy is what we will be talking about today. Potential energy is the stored energy of position possessed by an object. Gravitational potential energy is the energy stored in an object as a result of its vertical position or height. The energy is stored as a result of the gravitational attraction of the Earth for the object. There is a direct relation between gravitational potential energy and the mass of an object. More massive objects have greater gravitational potential energy. There is also a direct relation between gravitational potential energy and the height of an object. The higher an object is elevated, the greater the gravitational potential energy will be. Oh, and potential energy's equation is mass times gravity times height.
Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. The formula for kinetic energy is 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. There are a couple of forms of kinetic energy. Vibrational, which is energy due to the vibration motion. Rotational, which is energy due to the rotational motion. And translational, which is energy due to motion from one location to another. The equation shows that the kinetic energy is directly proportional to the square of its speed. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity. It does not have a direction, unlike velocity, acceleration, displacement, and momentum. The unit for any type of energy is a joule. 1 joule is equal to 1 kilogram times meter squared over second squared.
Hey! Now
This ball held up at the top has all potential energy and no kinetic. When I drop the ball, at the bottom of its fall, it has all kinetic energy and no potential energy. Right at the middle of its fall, it's equal with kinetic and potential. But throughout this entire process, the energy remains the same.
Our next topic is work. Work is found by multiplying the force applied on the object by the distance that it is moved. Work can be used with energy. Energy can be multiplied by this distance also to find work. The unit for work is joules.
Power is the rate at which work is done. To find power, you divide work by time. The standard metric unit for work over time for power is the watt. This makes the unit of a watt equivalent to 1 joule per second, as joules are the units for work.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally I can see you crystal clear.